Hello everyone, I hope all of you all are staying well and staying safe at home during this lockdown. Although you are at home, I hope you are not taking your skin for granted. So today I'm going to share some skincare routines for you during this lockdown at home. Let's go. So your day should start with a good skincare regime. The first step should be cleansing your face. I would suggest all of you to double cleanse your face to make sure all the dirt, debris and all the oil particles would be removed during this step. So step 2 will be using a good toner. If you have oily skin, it is advised to use an astringent toner. However, if you have dry skin, it's important to use a hydrating toner. Step 3 would be to use a good serum. It is advised to use a vitamin C serum, as vitamin C is a strong antioxidant which will remove free radicals and reduce inflammation on your skin. Always remember, Glojas brings out the best in you.